In this video, we are going to learn how to divide two rational numbers. Pretty simple. Let's take three examples and you will know how to divide two rational numbers. Let's take the first example. It could be written as 7 upon 3 upon 2 upon 5. Or you could have 7 upon 3 divided by 2 upon 5. Means the same. But let's see how to approach these questions. Now, let's see, if I have 7 upon 3 upon 2 upon 5, all I do is write the first fraction or rational number as it is. Then, instead of putting the division sign, I put the multiplication sign. Okay? And then, this numerator, that is 2 upon 5, I will take the reciprocal. What is the reciprocal? Is nothing but I reverse the order. The numerator will become the denominator and the denominator will become the numerator. Okay, so let's see. If I say it's 2 upon 5, the reciprocal will be 5 upon 2. The rest is simple multiplication of rational numbers the way we learned it before. 7 5s are 35, 3 2s are 6. That is it. Same thing goes over here. 7 upon 3 divided by 2 upon 5 is equal to 7 upon 3 into 5 upon 2. That is the reciprocal of 2 upon 5. This is equal to 35. That is 7 5s are 35. 3 2s are 6. Let's take one more example. Minus 7 upon 3 divided by 2 upon 5. Here I have a negative sign for the first rational number. I will not touch it. Again, division will become multiplication. 2 upon 5 will be reciprocal. So reciprocal is 5 upon 2. That is minus into plus will give me minus 7 5s are 35. 3 2s are 6. Simple. Let's take something with negative signs with both the rational numbers. Minus 7 upon 3 divided by 2 minus 2 upon 5. Again, minus 7 upon 3 multiplied by 5 upon minus 2. Now here again minus 7 into 5 is minus 35. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Minus divided by minus will give me plus. So that is nothing but 35 upon 6. So simply if I have minus signs on both the sides, I simply cancel both of them. That's how we normally write it. Now we come to some mixed questions for multiplication and division of rational numbers. Now mixed, when it comes to mixed, we need to remember that there is a golden rule in mathematics that is called the BODMAS. The BODMAS tells you the order of the operation. So if suppose there is a complete division like this or some questions like this, then I need to know which operation should I do first and which operation should I do second. So let's see. Now let's explain what is BODMAS. Now BODMAS stands for bracket of, that is something like square root of, square of, that is called of, division, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. So we start with bracket, then of, division, then we'll do multiplication, then we do addition, then we do subtraction. So we follow this order when we solve mixed questions with multiplication and division of rational numbers. But now we will also be doing mixed examples for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in the next video. So for now we will just do multiplication and division, let's see how the BODMAS rule will be applied. So here the first question is 2 upon 5 divided by 7 upon 6 multiplied by 8 upon 15. Remember, there is a bracket over here. So according to my BODMAS rule, if I write over here, I have to first solve the bracket, then the multiplication, and if there is addition or subtraction, that's when we'll come later. So here 2 upon 5 divided by, because I have to solve the bracket over here. Let's see if the bracket needs to be solved. Let's see, 7 upon 6 multiplied by 8 upon 15. Let's see if anything can be divided. Oh, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. This will leave me, let me make the bracket proper. This will leave me with 2 upon 5 divided by 7 4s are 28 upon 3 into 15 is 45. Oh, great. So let's see. Now I have to divide. 2 upon 5 multiplied by, reciprocal will be 45 upon 28. Anything that can be divided? Yes. 5 ones are 5. 5 nines are 45. 2 ones are 2. 2 14s are. I am left with 9 upon 14. This is my answer. So that is how I do it. Now next question. There is no bracket, but there is a division and there is a multiplication. Which operation will I do first? BODMAS tells me that first I have to do division, then I have to do multiplication. So let's see. So this becomes 7 upon 6. So there's a multiplication. I will not do it because my rule tells me I have to do division first. So this is 3 upon 5 divided by, so here it will be multiplication, 14 upon 12. This is what I do. If I do the operation of multiplication first and then the division, sometimes you will get a wrong answer. So let's looking at the third example that is the classic example of doing that. Let's see if anything can be divided. 3 ones are 3, 3 4s are 12. Oh, here again I can divide. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. I am left with 7 into 7, that is 14. 7 7s are 49, sorry, 49 upon 3 5s are 15, 15 4s are 60. So it is 49 upon 60. That is my final answer. Let's take this example. Now, if I do, here it is 8 upon 9 multiplied by 5 upon 3 divided by 6 upon 4 multiplied by 12 upon 15. If there was a bracket, first I would have to solve the brackets. But since now there is no bracket, I have to do division first, then the multiplication. Let's see. So I'll write over here 8 upon 9 into 5 upon 3 multiplied by 4 upon 6 multiplied by 12 upon 15. If I do the multiplication over here and then the division, then everything will go wrong. Okay, so let's see if anything can be divided. So here 6 ones are 6, 6 2s are 12. Okay, great. Here 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15. Can anything be divided further? 8 4 2 9 3 3. No, nothing can be divided further. So I will move ahead. So this leaves me with 8 into 4 into 2 upon 9 into 3 into 3. So this is 8 4s are 32. 32 into 2 will give me 64. I can also do it like 4 into 2 is 8. 8 8 is 64. Okay. 3 3s are 9. 9 9s are 81. So this is how I do it. Remember, you have to remember the rule of BODMAS: bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction.